got Go-Gurts. I've had these since I was a kid.
When were you ever a kid?
Going?
Ay, Tarugo. Míralo.
Bro, look at my sleeve. That's how I used to look. Used to.
What's it looking like now? What is that? It's black. Oh, yeah, sick ass color, bro.
I know.
I have a lot of content that has been recorded, however, I have not composed it because it's all over the place. It's been forever and ever. Before we continue, ¿me pueden dar un poquito de respeto que estamos hablando aquí con los tacuaches?
Tacuaches. Chirratos de dos patas.
One, it's been forever ago since I've vlogged or actually posted anything. It's been months. I know, I understand, I'm sorry. But two, last video we posted, and I'm talking about the last, hey! The last video we posted was when we went ahead and introduced the SER, and then we were gonna start an SER series. However, let me go ahead and bring you guys back up to speed where we're at. So we're semi-building the SER. Unfortunately, I have not done a live update. Why? Because I've been going to school.
Así me quedé yo de impresionada.
¿Qué?
Estoy viendo a Brian y luego veo el teléfono y mira lo que sale. Así me tiene.
I know. Anyway, guys, so there's a lot of things that are going on. So right now I'm currently going to school, and I'm doing the night portion of the school. So the school is not hard. Having a part-time job or having a full-time job is not hard. It's just having both of them together because that shit's fucking hard. It's more of time efficiency. So unfortunately I have to pick between school and blogging. It was a super bad timing because when I pulled the trigger on building the SER, I got hit up for school. I'm like, hey, you got accepted, come through, and I was like, so it was just super bad timing. But and it's gonna be like that for the next 20 months. By the time you guys see this video, I've already been in school for almost 2 months, so it's been a while. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't fall behind, and I'm trying to, you know, prioritize school, obviously. And I know. So I do have a lot of content, however, it's all over the place. So the purpose of this video, so you guys could go ahead and see what's going on. You know, you see. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip. I think from this point on is when we are gonna do the headliner of the SER, and yeah, so we didn't get to finish it, but you'll see why. So let's roll the clip. So let's do an update real quick of where we are at. Last time we did talk, we had a 1991 Nissan Sentra SER. Nothing from what it used to look like, right? Okay, so at this point, this is it, guys. Let me show you guys real quick. Last, you guys saw that we had this. I want to say it's kind of like USDM bumper, right? So this is technically considered. Whoops. There you go. Nothing wrong with this bumper. It just has minor scratches and whatnot. But I do have the Sunny bumper. I haven't put it on yet because, let me show you guys. You see this here? Oh shit. Let me show you. See this? This is all bent. This centerpiece sits right up top. Right up top there, right? So it's all bent, and it's been very difficult for me to find this piece. Without that piece, I think it's called like a bumper filler, and if I don't have the bumper filler, then I'm gonna have a freaking big old gap this big, from the bumper to the headlights and all that stuff. So I did order that already. I'm just waiting for it to come through. Míralo quien como tú, compadre. So yeah, like I said, that bumper filler goes right across from here. I ordered that. I don't want to keep you guys just pending, so by the time you guys see this video, I should be working on the next video and so forth. I'm gonna try a new algorithm of trying to vlog and record and all that stuff. Alright, there are a couple things that we are gonna swap out. This cluster pretty much is done, so ya no está marcando like the gas and the temperature and the RPMs. I checked everything so far, everything looks good. I'm not sure as to what. I figured I checked everything is okay so far, you know, the plugs and everything. So now what's the new thing to do?
Get seats.
Yes, but I got another cluster. Yeah. But anyway, today's vlog, you see this headliner here, guys? Let me show you. Yeah, it's not the greatest. So today's goal, we're gonna try to attempt to take off this headliner, guys, and restore it with new material. It doesn't look so pretty, I know. But yeah, hopefully today's vlog comes out okay. What do you think?
We're gonna try our best and make this look nice as fuck.
Alright, I like that. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna try to take this out and then we'll see what happens right now. As you can tell, parece que tengo cara de espantado. It's a lot. I thought it was easier than that, but no, you have to take off. Look, you take off the pillars. These I don't know if you could tell or how good you can see. You have to take this off, so all this to come off. You can see how jacked up it is, but no worry, my boy Sebas and I will make miracles. Hopefully everything comes wrong. Are we professionals? No. Have we done this before? No. So just pray for us, guys.
Trust the work.
Yeah, I don't know about trust the process, bro. Trust the process. But yeah, it's a lot of work, guys. And then the sunroof, I don't think the sunroof works. There's a lot of things this thing needs, but we'll see, guys. Dang, look at that. So we're planning to, quote unquote, restore this. I know it's not the greatest, but
We're about to strip this bitch down.
alright, so I pretty much went ahead and got the boring part out of the way. So we pretty much took off the whole cloth that was up top. It was bad. To be honest, the only reason I decided to do this was, well, not only reason, but mainly was because of this. This has a sunroof. So that's why we're trying to redo this as well. You can tell burned edges. We're gonna try to brush this as best as I can, trying to get rid of all the nastiness. Every video I have somebody, a train, a dog, a cat, something has to be in the background. Oh yeah. Alright, so yeah, here we go. Usually this, like the headliner, the actual material, it's kind of made out of some like thick plastic or something, but this one apparently is made out of cardboard. Like, it's very delicate, and I found out the hard way because I ended up messing this up right here. As you see, I'm missing a big ass gap. I believe this was where the handle was sitting, so that's not a good thing. So I'm gonna have to be very careful. And man, it's gonna be hard. I do want to point out is that we need to take off this foam base. That's this foam material. In order for it to sit properly, I'm gonna have to take this off the best I can in order for the glue to actually stick. Okay, so it's gonna take some time, guys. So to the pod you go. I found it easier using this spatula, so we'll hopefully shred through this. As you can tell, these little pieces are I don't know how to explain it, but it's not cardboard based, but we need this little hole to pretty much section out the trimming, but it's not going as planned. However, I've come to find out the wire brush, you know, you're able to hit this a little bit wide. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get this. Comes off very easy. However, we have to be very, very careful that we don't push too hard, or else this shit's gonna happen. Oh, I almost fucked this up. Oh, I know, it doesn't look as bad as it looks. I promise. Yeah, we're almost there. Llámelo, Victor. Llámelo.
Claro que sí.
Portion. Oh, let me show you guys. This shit hurt. Oh. Alright, now that we have it as bald as possible before it breaks in 3, we're gonna go ahead and get some of that material, lie it down here, and then measure it out, and then start the cutting, and then yeah, we'll go from there. We're giving it a couple of inches of slack, just because it's super wide. The length to width ratio is very, very big. So it's safe to say we have more than enough material covering this whole thing. So now what we're gonna do is, I want to say we're gonna start gluing. I think this glue, you need to brush it and set it on for a couple minutes. Pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this glue, we're gonna set it on here for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're gonna set it onto the material. In about 3 minutes, they're gonna be gluing together, they're gonna be shutting together. So we're gonna not press on it too hard. We're gonna go ahead and put it on, and then start molding it and so forth. I'm really, really, really hoping this thing does come out well, but hey, that's why it's called the project car, right? Alright, so this is the flip side. We're already doing the edging. I ran out of the glue, so tomorrow after work I'm gonna stop by a Walmart or something and see if I can buy some of that spray, because we need to finish some of these edgings, and on the bottom the sunroof. You know, we still haven't done the sunroof, so that's another one that we need to do. So check you guys out tomorrow.